All right, we are live. Hello, everyone. This is Michelle who began and did it from Toronto. Hi, Dad. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Michelle. How are you?
I'm great. So today is the continuous with our episode 119. Wow. Never give up your never give up your dreams and be the doer of your dreams. I just noticed now I got the wrong spelling of give up.
Where?
I guess I have because I have a little infection in my eyes, so I feel not well today. But in a way, we are here to continue our live. And today's topic, we would love to share about understanding in digital world before starting your online business. So I guess this is a great topic to share. So before that, we would love to introduce ourselves. So again, my name is Michelle Hope and currently residing here in Spain and a digital online marketer for 3 years now and I keep doing it, continues with my business partner, Dedet. So how are you, Ded?
I'm good. Thank you. My name is Dideth, and I'm from Toronto. And same as Michelle, we both came from the Philippines, and I'm doing this business for 4 years now, and I'm enjoying it every day, and I'm so excited. It's Tuesday, so we can meet up and do our business chat again.
Yeah, so it's great that we are continuous doing it.
Mhm.
So I would love to show my our topic for today. That is the topic. It's about a understanding about digital world and before we starting an online business. So I guess to those of you who didn't know about online world, right? So we are business owners. So when you are going to start your online business, you need to know first the current situation online and also those hidden treasures, as they said, when you go on digital screen, right? Virtual. So when you got your virtual office, you need to know how to start and who are those people that maybe will resonate to your story, right? That
Mhm.
so I guess it is a first thing first in starting an online business. We need to understand how we can relate to our story to other people because this is a attraction marketing.
Mhm.
So what I like, maybe didn't like, you know, and what we do hang out online, maybe did it is also enjoying
Mhm.
those what do you call that, a online world that you can see in our post, you can see what we did, right? So sometimes when we are going to know something to start an online business, first thing first is we have the website. So our website is already built in for us, so we just only pick what is our digital online look like me and what is those that we need to put about us. So everything was already set up. So
Mhm.
when I joined the business, it was about 7 days or less 7 days we been set up with my business. And it's really great sometimes that um, we come to learn online and about your business and how you can browse more on how to get also the things you need to know, navigate more information in online world.
Mhm.
Online, there's so many people using it, billions of people all over the world now, wherever. Although there's some areas which is in improvements signals, but we still doing the online now, right? So we use online, and we want to know how who those people that is user friendly with us,
Mhm.
right? So for me, in 3 years that I've been here, I have how many followers now? More than 12K followers. Well, keep growing because every day I saw there's some more people liking my page. So I noticed these people was engaging about me, right? And about what I share, right? So I really love this idea on how I can share my story online, right? And also this live is really helpful for us. We navigate ourselves just to introduce to everyone and share how we get started and how we become business owner for 3 years or more than 3 years, right? So I guess every one of us, we must know that there's so many advantage using online and digital, especially now there's AI, there are activities, there are so many apps that we can use in order to help us also um, get our creation right. So when you love to create your design, your you also keep learning on it, right? Continuous learning in digital world and making friends virtually with different people worldwide. So it's really grateful to share about the idea of how deep is the digital world. So digital world is like an ocean, deeper than that, because there's so many people using on it, and sometimes we don't know those people, right? They came there and they just when I guess I love to tackle this. So I there's sometimes people that they are not real or they pretend to be real. I'm not sure really what's going on, but that's the online world. So when you start your online business, you need to be aware of it.
Oh,
There's some people that they copy your profile.
yeah.
There's some people that they copy your picture and they make their own picture as your picture. So it's not a great idea in a way, but there's some people that distract you, right? They are not there to, you know, but you cannot you we can control that because we know that these people are not real. So I'm so grateful that in our business we learn that on how we can manage those things
Yeah.
and negative to vibes. I guess this is a great to share to everyone, and you need to understand that the deep digital world that we have, and there's so many, not so many. So any thoughts there?
Yeah, you gave the good points for for me. Understanding about the digital world before starting an online business, as what you said. Yes, we do need to be familiarized about the online space. It's because there's so many going on online. Everything is online right now. When you buy things, you different kind of online business as well. So you have to be familiarize yourself, understand how the digital world works. There's so many spammy, as what you said, people just pretending. So you have to be aware of that and like educate ourselves of how we can prevent all this. So that's because there's so many pretenders are right there. So yeah, so one thing is like knowing how to do the security, the online security, your password and all that stuff. You have to learn how to do that too. And one thing that's good about our business, because they teach that us how to do it, so we can protect our page and protect ourselves from all these scammy people or spammy people that are in the digital world. um what else? Same thing. Our business is attraction marketing. uh there's so many things, different affiliate, what do you call that, attraction marketing also. And as for us, we as you attract who the same as you. So that's one thing, like that's what Michelle was saying. She made like 12,000 people that likes her page because she attracts those people that are dissimilar to her. And the same thing with me. So that's one thing good about it, because you're attracting people that are like you and who does do the same thing, your hobbies or what you do, that you enjoyed similar things. So that's good. But as I said, you just have to be careful because there are other people that are pretending. So we need to understand the digital world before we dive into the online business and the different kinds of online business out there. Make sure it is legit, and something that will give a good, what do you call that, like a good, it's a good potential, high potential commission, because the reason why we're here is to make money and to have more time also, and everybody wants to work online because of one reason, is just to have that freedom. But you just have to choose the right online business, because not everyone are treated equal. And
Yeah.
that's it for me.
Yeah, you're right. So I guess before you're going to start your online business, you know that how wide it is, the digital. So there's so many platforms, social medias that
Mhm.
we can use. So sometimes it needs, for us, we need also to learn on how to use those apps properly, right?
Mhm.
So that's why when you're going to start your online business with us, there is a training process on how you can do it step by step. So it's really nice that we are showing that to everyone also through our training. So I guess that's all we can share for today. That's very short and sweet
Mhm.
share today because I guess we a bit a lot of things to do. Me and Dita. We are so busy these days, and we are doing our challenge. So
Yes.
we keep working on it, and we will today. Oh, before I forgot. So today we have a webinar at 5 p.m. PST time. So everyone of you are invited and welcome to watch our webinar live at 5 p.m. PST time. So check your time zone if you are in the other side of the world,
Mhm.
because if you cannot reach the live, we have also the replay available in our websites. So just get your link and watch the webinar when you have time. So it's really great also because that webinar changed my mind and allowing me to start my online business, and I'm doing now for 3 years.
Mhm.
So that's growth. Yeah, that is great to be shared to everyone. So anything to add that?
I think you've mentioned everything. Just go to our website, to our page, and then you can sign up with your email address and your name. And then we'll send you the information, the details about the business. And if you
Yeah,
have any questions, you can just message any of us, Michelle
yeah.
or me. All right. And thank you
So
everyone for watching. For all.
thank you so much, and we are done with our episode 119. We will see you in 120 episode next week. So
Wow.
thank you everyone. Here again in our chat. Never give up your dreams and be the doer of your dreams. Bye.
Okay. Bye
Have a
bye.
good night from here.